So there's a breaking news coming in. In South Arabia's Aramco refinery, Iran has actually struck. You can see in the video the level of destruction that happened there. Well, oil is going to be the center of this whole Middle East war, and Iran is doing these three things again and again. First thing that Iran is doing again and again is actually striking companies like Aramco so that it can cause destruction to the oil refineries. And the second thing that Iran did yesterday was they were striking ships. And to be very precise, they were not striking ships that carry aircraft, but they were striking ships that carry oil or un ships में Indian merchants. Want to address that Iran is doing again and again is about the Strait of Hormuz. It's not like there's a misconception. We know that. Okay, let's see the map. We know that world's 20% of oil उसका same यही trade route है. But the point is, Iran can't stop it completely. कहीं ना कहीं से Saudi Arabia's naval ships or US naval ships will actually make it pass through anyway. Similarly, the point here is, will these company get any kind of insurance अगर ये जो कुछ भी अगर ये शिप्स उतारते भी हैं और ऑल दिस वॉर सिचुएशन who knows कब वो फिर से स्ट्राइक कर दे उन पे will these companies ever get insurance about this वो all know that India's 80% oil come from this route in fact China's also China तो रशिया से ऑयल ले लेगा बट इंडिया पहले जो रशिया से ऑयल लेता था आफ्टर दैट यूएस ट्रेड डील अब वो भी बहुत कम हो चुका है एंड वी आर टेकिंग द ऑयल फ्रॉम देम मोर